welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me today. For today's episode, I want to create something a little bit different from my other centerpieces. Usually I'm working with, I have cylinder shaped centerpieces, I have box shaped centerpieces. So today I want to explore making a rectangular prism centerpiece. Before we go any further, I just want to encourage you to subscribe to my channel for a variety of DIY projects. Now I'm going to start off with letting you know the things that you're going to need. You're going to need flowers. I have pink and purple flowers from the Dollar Tree, and I also have some backup flowers just in case I need more. I'll be trying to use just the roses, but if I run out, I might include some other varieties. Also, you're gonna need Bling Wrap from Walmart. I got these 2 tall pieces of foam from Walmart. This spear I used for another project before. I'm gonna be recycling this, and this comes from Walmart as well. I have a candle holder to give my centerpiece, to be able to weigh it down so it's not tipping over once I put the florals on there. Also, you need scissors, a wire cutter, and a hot glue gun. The other supply is optional. Maybe you would want some ribbon to cover up the white on the foam, or whatever color foam you use. You might want to use some ribbon to cover that up because you're going to see the white through the bling wrap. Okay, so we're about to go ahead and get started. I added some silver bling here in the center because you can see where my bling wrap met at. So I would just advise that you just go straight up and down with the bling wrap so you don't have the same problem. But I love the way this silver bling wrap looks in the middle. I think it really looks beautiful with this centerpiece. Also, on this side, I cascaded some peonies because I didn't run out of flowers. 10 bushes was enough, but I ended up using 2 more bushes of peony flowers just to kind of have it cascade a little on this side and to kind of camouflage the candle holder that it's sitting on. So please tell me what you think of this centerpiece. I like it. I think it came out beautifully. I love the bling, and I think it's perfect for a wedding. So please comment below. Let me know what you think. Also, feel free to share my video if somebody has an upcoming wedding or whatever event event that they may have that you think this will work really well with, please share this video. And again, I just want to remind you, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, to go ahead and do so. I thank you so much for joining me. Until I see you next time, bye.